Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy and sell in Exness App. To get started, open the Exness App on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded and that you are on the main screen before moving ahead. If this is your first time using the app, take a moment to get familiar with the layout so it feels easier to navigate during the trading process. Once you're inside the app, tap on Trade at the bottom of the screen. This section is where you can view available trading instruments and begin placing an order. The bottom navigation bar helps you move between different areas of the app, and the Trade tab is the one you'll need for both buying and selling. Next, select the sample symbol you want to trade. A symbol represents the asset or market instrument you are interested in. Before selecting it, it's a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct one, especially if there are several similar options listed. Choosing the right symbol is important because your buy or sell action will apply specifically to that market. After selecting the symbol, tap on either buy or sell. In simple terms, buy is typically used when you expect the price to rise, while sell is used when you expect the price to fall. At this stage, just choose the option that matches the trade you want to place in the app. You'll then need to enter or select the trade details you want to use, and after that, follow the on-screen procedure. This is the part where you review the available fields and confirm that everything matches your intended trade setup. Move carefully through each screen and read the information shown, since these details determine how the order will be placed. When everything looks correct, tap on the confirmation option for your buy or sell order. This final step sends your trade request through the app. Before confirming, it's always worth taking one last look at the symbol, trade direction, and any values you entered so you can avoid mistakes. And that's it. You've now seen how to place a buy or sell trade in the Exness app, from opening the app and going to the trade section, all the way through selecting a symbol, choosing buy or sell, entering your trade details, and confirming the order. Take your time with each screen. Follow the prompts carefully and make sure you review everything before submitting your trade.